Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can auto save pictures, videos in your gallery that your friends send it you on the messenger. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your messenger app and then go to their chats, and then you have to simply do is click on their nameplate on the top, and then you have to simply scroll up and you will see over here more action. In this you will see auto save photos. Click on that and then simply turn this toggle on to save your photos or videos that you have received from your friends, and then your videos or the pictures that will be auto saved in your phone gallery or the photos or the albums in that. And that's it. That's how you can turn on your autosave photos or receive photos in messenger. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.